Ochna Baba Sports Stadium, Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, 3 p.m. Airborne against Medeama. Last season, Medeama Basha Asante Kotoko 2-0. The Baba Sports Stadium. Ochna, what do you think will be the results? A victory for Kotoko. Because 3 matches Asante Kotoko lose. So what do you think? Drop your prediction. And Maria Papa and Seminum Yahatemu they discuss Asante Kotoko possible 11 against Medeama. Asante Kotoko, one more 20-man squad against Medeama. The system and formation being Asante Kotoko Ebebo Nina Yabeka Honsem Ewo Selber TV. But the only kind Asante Kotoko game no one the same. Kotoko Bedin Kunim against Medeama or not. Faudie bra na yendi hun komo ewo Selber TV. Faudie bra na yendi hun komo na yembobo hun. Asante Kotoko go back to Adakwajachi e hono moye training. That's the good news. Again, Kumasi Asante Kotoko team officially omo kits na ba bonten 220 Ghana cedis. Into your Chinatown Asante Kotoko Faso Evra Stadium is expected to be different. We believe that ye whom Asante Kotoko mo share or more the whole brand polo nibio. Club T, that is not what we will see. We are expecting because you say it's a load in Naba. So we are expecting Asante Kotoko come Faso Asho Montadi and say Ebese Sana and Obey Shakakra than previously. Those who have also been complaining about Asante Kotoko Jesus, the good news is that Jesus assassin Kotoko Besha the grade A Jesus Nyami Admochna. But like I was saying, don't forget to drop your prediction. Kotoko Medeama, I'm going for a straight win for Kotoko. My predictions for Kotoko matches are cheaper. I'm going for a straight win for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in tomorrow's game against Medeama. Don't forget this Saturday, Medeama Bebobo Baba Sports Stadium. And then she share with her in the CAF Champions League. It's expected a minute that way. And then I watch Medeama Bebo. Now there's one thing. Medeama and Obian can't want them, but I say I can't want them. If it was Asante Kotoko, we would be saying something similar. Medeama 3 players were the camp of the Black Stars. Which means it's Medeama will lose the services of all these 3 players. Abdul Fattah. Among for you say Fattah Hamidou. Baba trials or Kotoko pen. People forget about that. Baba trials or Kotoko. Amfa and now call Vision FC to Accra Lions and now Medeama and Obo Black Stars. Abdullah Nuruddin defender and Soa, also a striker. 3 players will be out in the Medeama Asante Kotoko match. Black Stars name Madagascar menye biambo. We don't know whether they will get a chance to play against the Comoros, but it will be a big blow for Medeama. A big blow kesi Diama Medeama pa. For now, Asante Kotoko players omu bonus one sem no. Ibia the team. Special bonus I'm penning for the mom say we need 4 matches. Crumb mom special bonus no. For now players no more than into a sentiment kind. So we are all waiting to see whether they would perform well and get that chance against a team your friend Medeama, whether they can start from there, get a win and start from there. It's an interesting discussion. Say players you be fremo na yama mo bonus kase na mo modern nso ani walusu 3 matches atwaso no embo mo nti omo ntoto no mayi now and me hwe score line ma and it appears that Medeama elusu so Aduana Stars Aduana Stars elusu ene 2-1 defeat for Aduana Tamale against Karela United. Pando Heart of Lions. Heart of Lions, so now what it means is that if my mathematics is right, Karela United have Asante Kotoko. if my mathematics is right, because Karela United had a 9 points. So a win for them would take them to 12 points. Good. So a win for Karela 12 points. Kotoko 10 points. What it means that still Kotoko likely. I'm yet to get official league table, but last one I'm a kind of. That means that Asante Kotoko will drop to the relegation zone. Kotoko relegation zone, but they will drop much deeper kakra to the 17th position. Let me do the check exactly. So Kotoko they say that 17th position in the Ghana Premier League. The good news is that from the 10th position to the 17th position here, 3 points. So Accra Lions were 13 points. Okay. Had to folk were 12. Karela were 12. After winning them got some were 9. So we got 12. Legon Cities were 12. Nations were 11. Gold Stars were 11. And Gold Stars is playing Nations FC. Good. Tamale United were 11. Real Tamale United. So from 10th position, Accra Lions to Kotoko at 3 points. So a win for Kotoko, depending on results about Kosono, Kotoko will definitely move out of the relegation zone if they are winning. Because Ebedin said Nations were 11, Gold Stars were 11. So if their game ended a draw, Kotoko Medeama or Besan. Good. Even if Gold Stars win, I mean Nations will stay. If Nations win, I mean Gold Stars will stay. So a win for Kotoko, and based on the standings, the league table, the permutations, it is extremely possible that Kotoko will move out of the relegation zone just one win. And yes, Medeama still stays with 21 points because Omuko Luzu to Karela United. Heart of Lions at Trama Bechem United Abesheno. So Pisma Kobe Mensah now was 16 points. A coach at a point another relegation zone. Fans net threaten someone permanent. That's the issue about patience. We know about Trema or coach with Mishishan Yoma Yemen Kunimdia Bano. Omo enya abotrema Bismarck Kobe Mensah now we're team up Mushi team no heading about the 6th position with 16 points, and now they even have more points than Kotoko. They have more points than Hasselhoff, and that's the permutations on the league table. So Kotoko here win. Kotoko here win badly. It's a win that it's a make or break game. Nyamenkwa ne nim de besi obabaya if Kotoko intimi endim kunim, let's call the speed. So Kotoko 4 matches no lose nyina. It's going to be a different story altogether. The good news is that this week discussions dance around the Black Stars. Therefore, Asante Kotoko team no ebenya a bit of peace of mind to do their training behind the scenes. Monday na man for Kotoko ho asem kakra. But from Tuesday up to even a people were talking about recruiting Inaki Williams, Kudus Mohammed Mo, Black Stars. That was what people were talking about. So Asante Kotoko team, you get that freedom, you get that liberty to do your trading behind the scenes. A man for Adrian started back at Koso and Mri and Akotoko Nkomono started back at. So it's up to them to take advantage of the fact that na media attention also they were behind the scenes to fix things and get a results for their fans. They need to get a results. Honestly, this is a make or break game for Asante Kotoko. Some beshata the mononam ho be fe. Kotoko ne samates share Jesse for away Jesse Nkugu nebai, so they need a win. Now let's go straight to the discussion. Medeama was 16 points. They've scored 11 goals and they've conceded 11, which should give you an idea of their away performance, of their home performance and their goal scoring performance. In the Ghana Premier League, there are 4 teams that earn 6 points from away. That is, we need 2 matches from away. If you look at the Ghana Premier League, getting an away win is very, very difficult. So you sit down and look at Nations FC in winning away that, Samates in winning away that, Baby and Gold Stars in winning away that, Legon Cities in winning away, Karela in winning away, Heart of Lions, Heart to Folk, Accra Lions, but for Akwatano, you can count about 10 teams or more, because teams are winning away, RTU, Dreams, Abesha Kotoko, in Swatremai, Kotoko, Bechem United. So 7 teams na winning away. As against 11 teams, so munyanya away. But Medeama, from where I'm sitting, there were 2 away wins. That should tell you that in as much as in the Ghana Premier League, teams are quite away and performing. Medeama, on the other hand, have not been doing badly in their away matches. Because Omuko share Legon City is 2-0, and Omosako share a year Bechim United, will Bechim by 2-1. And these are their results in the away matches. A year Medeama. We talk about Asante Kotoko and how they operate at home. Not so convincing. So on the other hand, if you are looking at Asante Kotoko, the problem for Asante Kotoko this season is their home performance. Because Ghana Premier League, so here Ghana Premier League home team performance, Asante Kotoko at 17th position. But if it's for the away performance, we talk about just 4 teams now a better away record than Kotoko in the Ghana Premier League. Edianas in Suatremai. Okay. Then you talk about Bechim and Medeama. So Ediana, Brekum, Chelsea, Bechim and Medeama. These are the teams that have better away record than Kotoko. So if the home no complementing Kotoko effort in a way, Kotoko can't name that. So our home, Kotoko has 3 goals at the Baba Sports Stadium in 5 games. That Ediana Kotoko Shego, Bechim Kotoko Shego, and a Karela Kotoko Shego. Kotoko and Shego against Heart of Lions, Kotoko and Shego against Dream Saves. So a 1 win, 1 defeat, and 3 draws. 2 draws for Kotoko, our home. So Heart of Lions, Karela, Bechim, 3 draw games. A win against Ediana and a defeat against Dreams. And that is why out of the 15 points, Asante Kotoko enya 6, or lose 9 from home. And no enema Kotoko empire for more. So as you are talking about Medeama, so they have 6 points in their away games. They've scored 6, they've conceded 8. You look at Kotoko and they are also going through crisis when it comes to their home games. Yemko game Lankasa so. As Makasa Bebre Kuraniama. Dalad Ibrahim Frederick Kasari. It's suspected that Kotoko will go with a 3-back system. Which possibly you can expect Sharif Mohammed, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin at the back for Asante Kotoko. Yentuan Komonoso. And don't forget, say, so Sharif Mohammed the boy as a right wing back. Now say who say a branch of Nicolas Osebo's boy as the left wing backer. Again, don't be surprised. Kotoko will go extremely attacking in tomorrow's game against Medeama. Extremely attacking in tomorrow's game against Medeama. I won't be surprised to see Kalu Ouattara, George Mfege, and Steve Mukwala all starting for Asante Kotoko. Yentuan Komonos. So, squad name Dalad Frederick Kasari, Sharif Mohammed, Nicolas Osebonsu Nana Benyini, Yusuf Nuruddin Henry Ansu, Echiri Hono, Wamon Cheda and Dawson, Wamon Dawson, no Dawuni Yaya, no Augustine Japan, no Fuseni Sahaku, no Samuel Asamoah, Echiri Hono Wamon Dawson, no John Tedeku, Eric Zeze, Michael Che, Jamana Andrews in Team Menu, Justice Blade. Don't forget, Mohammed Sharif has served a suspension every. But Yusuf Nuruddin is a card away from suspension. George Mfege, Kalu Ouattara, Richmond Lamteaba, Baba Yayaba, Isaac Oponema, Shadrach Ado, Kalu Ouattara, Justice Blade. We in Asante Kotoko, almost 20-man squad for the game. Baba Yaya, Isaac Opon, Shadrach Ado, Richmond Lamte, Kalu Ouattara, George Mfege, Justice Blade, Andrew Sinti Menu, Peter Midu Aqua, Sharif Mohammed, Kalu Ouattara, Michael Che Jamna, Eric Zeze, Dalad Ibrahim, Frederick Kasari, Henry Ansu, Sharif Mohammed, Nana Benyini, Yusuf Nuruddin, Nicolas Osei Bonsu. We a squad Ikutame. I will say over TV. Medeama is coming in without 3 strong players. And let's just hope that Kotoko can hit the ground running in tomorrow's game. It's a tough match. I'm picking an all-attacking approach from Kotoko. Extremely attacking approach from Asante Kotoko. Extremely attacking approach from Asante Kotoko. with a 3-back system. Some Dawson. Like I said, Mukwala, Kalu, Watara, George, and Fegi. Bibia betumi asiam omunyina agine mama kotoko. Omunyina ebetumi agine mu dia ma Asante Kotoko. Me mama kasa no enya tenten sa. Tenten ya na mboa. Emanipa kura ni ha. To dia memfa we mbrem. Bibia to dia na enumre mi nya ahode bia mesande bobe nnan. Ebia mesaba. 9 bona mamba. Eni o chanopa. Ne ade dia kemu nyina no. Bye-bye.